Are you tired of hearing crickets every time you post on social media? I've got your solution. In today's video, I break down my proven 3-step formula for creating awesome posts that people just have to double tap. If you're new here, I'm Heidi Dean, and I teach you how to rock your social media, make more connections, and create the actor's life of your dreams. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell so you always know when I have a new video just for you. If you want to increase your likes and comments and grow a loyal following who's actually excited to see your post in their feed, you need to ask yourself 3 questions every time you post. The first one is, what do you want them to see? You're the director of your social media. So just like a director, you need to decide what you want in the shot. Will you be on camera, or will they see what you're seeing? You might also decide some simple text is all you need. Or maybe your text on top of an image is a better way to say what you want. You've got tons of options, so remember, whenever you create a post, always ask, what do I want them to see? Question number 2 is, how do I want to make them feel? Maya Angelou said it best. I've learned that people will forget what you said, people will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them feel. This is super important. I want you to figure out how people describe you. For example, offline, I have a lot of energy, I'm very positive, and I love motivating people. So, my social media does too. Within 2 seconds of being on your profile, we should really get your vibe and feel like we're actually meeting you. There are lots of ways to do this on social. It could be with the colors we use on our headers and posts. Or maybe we shoot a very specific color scheme for our Instagram photo, like this account. Or maybe we use very bright, happy colors like this one. The filters we use can also help people feel a certain way when they see our post. Think about it. The same picture with a different filter can have a totally different feeling. Choosing a few filters and using them consistently helps us feel the energy that you put out into the world on social media. I have a quick video that shows you how to organize your filters on Instagram so that your favorite filters are at the front of the list every time. I'll put a link to it in the description for you. The last question to ask yourself when you're creating a post, what do I want to make them do? Very important. I can't tell you how many times actors tell me people aren't liking and commenting on my post. But then I go and look at your post or your videos and you never ask them to. Social media is such a crowded space, and there's so much else going on around your tweet or post that sometimes you just have to tell them what action you want them to take. Create captions that make your followers do something. This can be as easy as saying, let me know in the comments, or tell them about something you love, and then make it a conversation and ask them, what's your favorite? Fill in the blank. You can also occasionally say double tap or retweet if you agree. If you're making YouTube videos, make sure you ask them to subscribe. That reminds me, have you subscribed to my channel? Ask your fans and followers to take action, or they probably won't. Remember these 3 questions every time you post. What do I want them to see? How do I want to make them feel? And what do I want to make them do? I promise this will change the way you post, it will increase your likes and comments, and it'll help you grow a loyal following who's actually excited to see your post in their feed. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and if you want more tips to help you rock your social media, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell so that you know when I have a new video just for you. I will see you on social.